spaghetti
Yeah.
sauce.
Yeah, the spaghetti sauce. It's pink. The sauce was pink and then it was really yummy. See?
Okay, put now there. Put there.
I can't. Oh, that was water.
Yes, it's not oil.
Oh, I thought it was that oil. Now we can mix. We need to mix it. See how it's pink, guys? It will be red. Now when I mix, it was red. It's good, huh? See? Sauce.
And you must put this soya. Take 1 spoon here. Take here. Slowly on there. Hold properly the spoon.
I don't know what is this.
It's soya.
Soya. Oh, this guys, it's soya. Mama put soya seed.
Yeah, instead of meat, ground meat, we put that soya.
Yes.
Mix. Slowly. Kulako.
Now it looks like sauce.
Hinay.
Yeah, now it looks like sauce.
Okay.
Mama will put cheese now. Mama's in the fridge and putting the cheese. I need to mix. Can I put the cheese? The sauce is cooking. The sauce is cooking.
Mix.
Ingredients always need to put cheese. Mama, can I taste the sauce?
Wait there. Then, spaghetti. What is your spaghetti? Asan yung spaghetti?
There.
Okay, wait. Now mix it.
I will try to taste first a little.
No taste. It's hot.
Oh.
Mix. Give me. Like that. See, the cheese must be melted.
Yum. It's so excited, guys. There is our noodles. I'll show guys. See? See, guys? See how I eat?
Then we will put a little bit condensed milk. So a little bit sweet.
Is that sweet, Mama?
Yeah.
What did you put on it sweet?
It's condensed milk. See? It's homemade condensed milk.
It looks like honey.
It's not honey. It's,
No, it looks like honey. How it's sticky.
it's homemade condensed milk. I made it.
How you made? With mayonnaise?
No, with milk powder and sugar and water.
And then you
Cooked
mix
together.
cook together, and then it's now sweetie.
Yeah, now and then it become condensed milk. Okay, now put the spaghetti. Hi.
I will put the sauce. Ooh.
Hop.
Woo! It's getting.
Take now. Take. Okay. Not yet. Mix. Okay, Kobe.
I just want to try to eat. I'm too hungry. If after this it will be finished, but then we'll take it off. You know?
Yes.
Ooh. You see, guys, that was a very, really bad hard.
So you know how to cook now?
Yes.
Next time, what do you want to cook?
Cookies!
Cookies. I don't know how to make cookies.
I will teach you. First, we need to buy candy, how it's blue and black, and also yellow, and also white. You know, the hard threads to put like pimples. You need to put chocolate.
What
and then
like pimples?
Yeah, it's looks
Sprinkles?
Like, no, not sprinkles. Or not sprinkles. I want my favorite pink. Can I taste? Can I taste?
Yeah, almost finished. Okay, that's it.
Yay!
That's it.
That's it. Thank you. And salamat. How are you cooking? Let me taste first.
Wait.